Everyone for coming to our demo class today. I'm going to share or to cascade the knowledge about what is PTA because I cannot use the LCD here, so I'm just going to show you this, what is PTA. You can also find this from the link that I share in our WhatsApp group. Try to find the presentation in the PowerPoint and then scroll down until you find the slide like this. If you see exactly just what you see on my screen, so you open the correct link. What is PTA? Okay. That's PowerPoint. On PowerPoint. PTA is a computer-based language test that provides the most unbiased and secure proof of a candidate's English skills for university, professional, and migration application. So people usually take or register for the PTA for some reasons, some purposes, like university, they want to continue their study, or for professional purpose and migration applications. That's PTA. So what about the format? What is the test format? So if you take PTA, the format of the test is speaking and writing. The test consists of speaking and writing, and then reading and listening. Remember, you participate in the poll that I share in our WhatsApp group. You chose speaking and listening. So today we are going to focus more on speaking, speaking or question type, that is read aloud. So today we are going to focus more on read aloud question type or question item. So you can also download the application for to practice and to learn PTA. You can download, the name of the application is Alpha PTA. I already downloaded yesterday, and that's for the purpose of practice. You can download yourself. And now I'm going to share to you or to cascade with you the speaking question, the speaking part, and then I choose the item read aloud. So we are going to explore more about this read aloud. I also share you the link on WhatsApp group for this website of the read aloud. Okay, so when you click on this read aloud, there is a video that you can play.
Speaking immediately.
The climate for doing business improved in Egypt more than in any other country last year, according to a global study that revealed a way.
Do not start speaking before the tone because your voice will not be recorded. Finish speaking before the progress bar reaches the end, and the word recording changes to recording complete.
Okay, I want to play the video one more time. You can also play the video or replay the video.
Read aloud.
Read aloud.
For this question type,
you need to read a written text aloud.
recording status
The
box.
recording status box shows a countdown. You have
40 seconds.
30 to 40 seconds to prepare. Depending on the length of the passage, you hear a short tone. After the tone, start speaking immediately.
The climate for doing business improved in Egypt more than in any other country last year, according to a global study that revealed a way.
Do not start speaking before the tone because your voice will not be recorded. Finish speaking before the progress bar reaches the end, and the word recording changes to recording complete.
Okay, so you already listen, you already listen and watch the video, and now we are going to practice this test item, which is read aloud. The text is not
Recording complete.
long. It's brief enough. You can read. You can try to read aloud the text. So the aim or the purpose of our demo class today is to familiarize ourselves or to expose ourselves to the test item or to the test type that we will find if we participate or register in the PTA Academy. So I'm going to ask another teacher. We have Teacher Mustika. Teacher Mustika, can you please read aloud this text for us? Just practice to familiarize ourselves.
The climate for doing business improved in Egypt more than in any other country last year, according to a global study that dedicated to wave of company-oriented reform across the Middle East. The World Bank ranking, which took at business regulations, also showed that the pace of business reform in Eastern Europe was overtaking East Asia.
Okay, thank you, teacher. Teacher Mustika. Okay, now we move to teacher Audia. Audia, do you want to use your own or and the laptop? Okay. Pecah also blur here. Yes, it's blur here. You can use your own.
Climate for doing business improved in Egypt more than in any other country last year, according to a global study that revealed a wave of company-oriented reforms across in Middle East. The World Bank rankings, which look at business regulations, also show that the pace of business reforms in Eastern Europe was overtaking East Asia.
Okay, thank you, teacher Audia. Next, it's teacher Siti turn. It's your turn, teacher. Okay. Yes.
Climate for doing business improved in Egypt more than in any other country last year. According to a global study, there is a wave of company-oriented reforms across the Middle East. The World Bank ranking, which look at business regulation, also show that the pace of business reforms in Eastern Europe was overtaking East Asia.
Okay, very nice. Thank you, teacher Siti. Next, it's your turn, teacher Lydia.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry to read this.
Okay. It's okay. Take your time.
The word is so small.
Yes.
Clean
Ada lampunya lah. The climate.
Okay. Climate for doing business improved in Egypt more than
This
in
format.
any other country last year. According to a global
Read
study
aloud nih di dalam videonya ini. Accept dulu ini cookiesnya. And then kembali lagi ke atas. Read aloud. Nah, putar di dalam sini ada. Putar videonya. A wave of company-oriented reforms across the Middle East. The World Bank rankings, which look at business regulations, also show
that
the pace of business reforms
business reforms in
Eastern
Eastern
Europe was overtaking.
East Asia.
Okay, awesome. Very nice. Thank you, teacher Lydia. Next, it's teacher.
Sri Dayana.
Yes, teacher Sri Dayana's turn. Unit, yes. Okay, you may read. Try to read aloud this text from Pearson website. Oh, makin blur, ya. Bisa lah, melihat lah. Or it's okay. Are you finding it's difficult to read this? Difficult? Yes, it's okay. Later she can try. Okay. Next, the teacher. It's okay. Yes.
Yes.
The
The climate for doing business improved in Egypt more than in any other country last year, according to a global study that revealed
a wave of company-oriented reform across the Middle East. The World Bank rankings, which look at business regulation, also show that the pace of business reforms in Eastern Europe was overtaking East Asia.
Okay, thank you for trying the read aloud. Actually, you can have the app, yeah, by downloading it. The name of the app is Alpha PTA, or I think I already shared with you in the WhatsApp group. Yeah, you can download the apps and try to find the test items that you want to practice. For example, like the read aloud section. Now I'm going to share with you, after we practice the read aloud to familiarize ourselves with these test items, this is the tips how to answer this question. For this item type, you need to read a written text aloud, which you have practiced just now, yeah. The recording status box displays a countdown until the microphone opens. So you have, yes, sit down. So you have 30 to 40 seconds to read the text and prepare. Remember, only 30 and 40 seconds. You will then hear a short tone, beep, like that. After the tone, start speaking immediately. Do not start speaking before the microphone opens, because your voice will not be recorded. And then the tips are, you should speak clearly. Make sure that you speak clearly. There is no need to rush. Finish speaking before the progress bar reaches the end. The word recording changes to completed. You are only able to record your response once. And then the tip, if you remain silent for longer than 3 seconds, the recording will stop. Now, the test tips. Also the test tips, or the tips for the test. Use punctuation to help you decide where to pause when you read. Stress the words that carry important information. And then, if you want to read about how this question is scored, your score on read aloud is based on 3 factors. The first, content. Does your response include all the words in the reading text and only these words? So if you read exactly as the way it is in the written text, so you are good. I mean, you are safe. And then, content is scored by counting the number of correct words in your response. Replacements, insertions, and omissions of words will negatively affect your score. And then oral fluency. Does your response demonstrate a smooth, effortless, and natural rate of speech? And then pronunciation. Does your response demonstrate your ability to produce speech sounds in similar way to most regular speakers of the language? So, I think that's all for our PTA demo class today.